Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new and want to join the family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this video, y'all. So I'm just basically about to slay my hair per usual. So I'm just gonna do like the half up, half down quick weave real quick. And I'm just gonna part my hair from ear to ear into two sections. So I'm gonna take this edge control and I'm gonna basically use this to mow down my hair. So let me just do a quick story time when it comes to this edge control, y'all. So this was supposed to be this was supposed to be a part of my collection in my hair company, and I was gonna sell edge control. Like, I was super excited about this edge control. I'm like, ooh, this edge control is the best edge control ever. Like, I thought I had some on my hands. So I ended up checking and looking at all my edge controls, and I ended up noticing that there was like a major dip in the edge control. Like, each edge control individually had like a scoop, like there was product missing from the edge control. And so I ended up contacting a vendor, and then they ended up giving me a refund because I literally could not sell it. And eventually, like, all the edge control turned into like a liquid substance, like basically like drippy like water. But it's still a good product, and I still been using it on my hair because, like I said, I like the product. It just turned into like a liquid. So yeah, hopefully I could find like another vendor to so that I could sell edge control again. But yeah, as of right now, I'm just doing my hair, and I'm molding it down with some of the edge control and with some Got2b spray, and then I'm just blow drying it, and then I'm gonna braid it.
I would like to get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. Be down with what you go. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's gonna be down. Wanna be down.
Okay, so these are the links of the bundles that I will be using today, 14, 16, and 18. And then they provided me with some lashes. So I'm gonna section off and use like some makeup to like as a guide to help me so that I know where to lay the tracks.
do that dance, you're nasty up, and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. Can a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out.
Okay, y'all, so now I'm just gonna section out my bang. And y'all, so why was I hooked on this show that I was watching on my laptop? If you have not seen this show, you need to go watch it ASAP. And it's called All the Queen's Men. You gotta get a BET Plus account in order to watch it. It's like a good show. Like, if you're a female, you need to watch that ASAP. Like, I was hooked. But yeah, I'm just gonna section off my bang, and then I'm gonna apply some edge control. I was into it. Some edge control and some Got2b spray. Brush my hair in a ponytail, and then apply the tracks. Okay, y'all, so I put the ponytail on. I just wrapped the tracks around my ponytail, and then now I'm just gonna take a little piece from the back and I'm gonna wrap it around, and I'm gonna use some of that spray, that red even spray, and wrap it around. Make sure you comb it out first, just take the spray and then go ahead and wrap it around.
Let her run it up, break it down like a bird. She would never run. She would never run. That's the real on the real. Are you serious? How you feel? How you feel? Used to trip off that shit I was sticking to. You had some fun on the rondo, I'll give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. Don't kid. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix your any issues with a bad bitch. She let me tell you that I was a savage. Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me.
Y'all see what's to it. I slayed my hair, period. It's the curls for me. It's the bangs for me. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.